Hi folks, Matt Smith with Smith Sales Company Auctioneers. We have a 2002 Chevrolet 3500 HD. This is a two-wheel drive truck. This is a nice service truck. The rubber on it looks nice, 19.5 rubber. The body is pretty clean. Has 11-foot Knapheide service bed on it. Has a new rubber floor mat. This truck will be sold Sunday, May 6th. It's located in Miles City, Montana. If you have any questions, 406-234-7355. Has a nice diamond plate floor. Thanks for looking.